How to fix DirectX setup could not download the files. Please retry later or check network connection. If you're facing this issue, then in this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix that. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser. Now you want to search download DirectX Redist. Go ahead and select that. Now click on the download option. While it is being downloaded, head over to your desktop, click on New, then create a new folder. Now rename this to DirectX. Once the downloading has been completed, open the folder. Now select Run as Administrator, then click on Yes. Now you will have to type in the location where you want to place the extracted file. Click on Browse and then select the new folder that you just created. Now click on OK. Now the files will be extracted to your new folder. Go ahead and open that. Here you want to locate the DX setup file. Go ahead and double click on that. Now install it. Then select I accept the agreement. Click on Next, then Next again. Now wait for some time until it is being installed. Then click on Finish. Now for step 2, you again want to open up any web browser. This time you want to search DirectX. Now click on this first option. Go ahead and download this. Now click on Show in Folder. Then right click and select Run as Administrator again. Now when you install this file, you won't get the error further, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.